Our topic for today is word problem using percent. This time, we're going to solve word problems. Okay? So, let's solve for discount. But first, what is discount? The discount is the amount that is deducted or reduced from the original amount or price. Formula is P is equals to B times R, where R is the discount rate, B is the original price, and P is the amount discounted. Okay? Example, a TV cost 8,950 pesos during summer sale. It is being sold at 25% off. How much is the discount and what is the sale price? Okay, so what is given? Given is B, where B is the original price, and B is equals to 8,950. And also R, which is the discount rate, whi- which is equal 25%, or shall we say 0.25. Okay, P is the discounted amount, so we can solve for P. So P is B times R, where B is 8,950 times the R, which is 0.25. Therefore, P is equals to 2,237.50. Okay, so that's the discount price. Okay, next is from the original price, which is 8,950, we deduct the discount price, which is 2,237.50, is equals to 6,712 and 50 centavos. Therefore, the sale price of the TV is 6,712 and 50 centavos. Here's another example. A store sells a mobile phone that was originally sold for 3,000. It is now on sale at 25% off. What is the amount of discount? What is the sale price? Okay, solve for A. What is the amount of discount? So P is equals to B times R, where 3,000 times 0.25. So the discount price is 750 pesos. Let's solve for the what is the sale price. Sale price is equals to the original price less the discount amount. So 3,000 less 750. So we have 2,250. Therefore, the sale price of the mobile phone is 2,250. Remember, to get the sale price, we need to subtract the amount of discount from the original price. Sale price is equals to original price less the amount of discount. Next is percent of increase or decrease. Many changes are stated using the percent of increase or decrease. For example, food prices have increased by 8%. The enrollment fees has increased by 12%, and the employment rate has increased by 25% this year. In the percent proportion, we have P over B is equals to N over 100, which is equals to R. So R is N over 100. R is the percent of increase or decrease. P is the amount of increase or decrease. And B is the original price. Example, Mr. Lee's salary last year was 25,000. This year, his salary increased by 5%. A, find the amount of increase. And B, find his new salary. Let's solve for A, find the amount of increase. So P is equals to B times R, where B is 25,000 and the R is the 5%, which is also equal to 0.05. So we have 1,250. Therefore, the increase is 1,250. Next is, let's solve for find his new salary. New amount is equals to the original amount plus the amount of increase, where the original amount is 25,000 less the amount of increase, which is 1,250 pesos. So we have 26,250. Therefore, his new salary is 26,250 pesos. Okay, another example. The population of a town increased from 20,000 to 25,000. A, find the amount of increase. And B, find the percent of increase. Okay, let's solve for A, find the amount of increase. To find the amount of increase, subtract the original population from the population. So, amount of increase is equals to new population minus the original population. So, we have the new population, which is 25,000, less the original population, which is 20,000. So, we have 5,000. Therefore, the amount of increase is 5,000. Next is let's solve for the percent of increase. So 5,000 is what percent of 20,000? So 5 is the P, the original amount. What percent is the R, which is the rate or the percent? And 20,000 is the B, which is the base. So R is equals to P over B, where P is 5,000 and B is 20,000. So we have three zeros, 1, 2, 3 from the numerator. We cancel them also at the denominator, 1, 2, and 3. So we have 5 over 20. So again, let's simplify 5 over 20. We divide both numerator and denominator by 5. We have 1 over 4. Change 1/4 into percent. So 1 divided by 4 is equals to 0.25 times 100. We have 25%. Another example, Maria weighed 150 pounds. After going on a diet, she weighed 125 pounds. What was the percent of increase or the percent of decrease rounded to the nearest percent? First, find the amount of decrease by subtracting the new weight from the original weight. Amount of decrease is equals to the original weight less the new weight. Amount of decrease is 150, which is the original weight, minus 125, which is the new weight. So the amount of decrease is 25 pounds. 25 pound is what percent of 150? 25 is the P, what percent is the rate, and 150 is the base or the original weight. So R is equals to P over B. So 25 over 150 times 100%. Okay, so 100 and 150 is divisible by 50. So 100 becomes 2 and 150 becomes 3. So 25 times 2 is 50 over 3, or simply 16.67%. Therefore, the percent of decrease was about 17%. Next is commission. When someone sells something on behalf of another person or a company, that someone receives a percent on the sales. A percent of the total sales paid to the seller as compensation for his services is called commission. Example, Mr. Mendoza sells a lot worth 250,000 and receive a commission of 5%. How much is his commission? To solve for the commission, use this formula. Commission is equals to commission rate times the sales. So commission is equals to 5% times the 250,000. So 0.05 times 250,000. Your commission is 12,500. Okay, what's next? Okay, try to solve this at home or by yourself. A team won 80% of its total game. If the team won 68 games, how many games did they play? Okay. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher Gang, and I hope you learned from our lesson today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you. Bye.